the main reason for me getting a 24-litre air compressor was, well, number one, it's quite small. I have a small van. I haven't got very much space. I also have to run it off a generator, so I have to be mindful of the power. This is, look, my available space. I've got to fit all of this in there somehow. So yeah, so I normally use it. You see the airline going in the back, just for this little air blower. I use that for blowing water out of mirrors, around awkward grills, inside vehicles sometimes, dust and stuff. So I thought, I wonder, will it run one of these? So here we are, and as you can see, if I go in a little bit, look, it says it needs between 6 and 9.2 bar. Now my compressor, I think it's on about 6 max, so the 24-litre compressor, air compressor, will only run this efficiently for about 10 seconds. So really, the only way I'm ever going to use this anytime in the future is to buy a bigger generator, but I've got a small van, I haven't got the room, and it would also mean that I'd have to buy a bigger generator, because the 24-litre Hyundai compressor I got is 750 watt power. My generator is something like 2300 watt. A 50-litre compressor would be much better, but I think they're around about 1500 watt, so it is doable on my compressor, my generator, I suppose. But generally, if you're using this, you're probably also using a Hoover maybe at the same time, so my generator wouldn't run two things at the same time like that, so I need to get a bigger generator, but then I need to get a bigger van. But anyway, I've got one now, so this will be packed up until I get a bigger compressor. So yeah, that answers the question. If you're wondering if this will work on a 24-litre air compressor, it will, but it only does for a very short time. Hope you like this video, and by the way, this was bought off of Amazon. It was on a bit of a deal. I think it was around about £128 delivered, or thereabouts. But for the short time that I can get it to work, it works really well. There we go. Hope you like this video. Please do give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to the channel, and perhaps I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da for now.